The 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome represents a bold leap in the world of mobile living and adventure vehicles, combining Honda's legendary reliability with cutting-edge innovation to create a camper that appeals to modern explorers and road trip enthusiasts alike. Unlike traditional motorhomes that often sacrifice style or comfort for utility, the 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome delivers a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and practicality, making it a standout choice in a competitive market. From weekend warriors looking for a cozy escape to families craving long-distance adventures, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in comfort and style. With its meticulous design, advanced technology, and robust performance, Honda has created a vehicle that doesn't just transport. It transforms your journey into an experience. Asterisk on the outside. The 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome boasts a dynamic and modern design that immediately catches the eye. The body is sculpted with sleek, aerodynamic lines that not only enhance visual appeal, but also improve fuel efficiency on long journeys. Its expansive frame is optimized for interior space while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for urban driving. The motorhome rides on premium alloy wheels, available in multiple sizes, which add a sophisticated touch and ensure stability on varied terrains. Honda has integrated LED lighting systems throughout, including sharp, angular headlights, stylish daytime running lights, and rear LED clusters that improve visibility and safety. Multiple color options are available, ranging from classic metallics to adventurous matte finishes, allowing buyers to personalize their mobile home. Subtle chrome accents and high-quality paint finishes lend a premium feel, making this camper as striking parked as it is in motion. Asterisk inside. The 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome is a sanctuary of comfort and innovation. Spacious seating arrangements, often configurable as swiveling captain chairs or foldable lounge setups, allow for flexible living and dining arrangements. Premium upholstery options including leather and high-quality synthetic alternatives combine durability with elegance. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, featuring a large touchscreen interface, smartphone integration, and advanced navigation tools designed for long trips and off-the-grid travel. Ample storage compartments, modular cabinetry, and ergonomic layouts ensure that everything has its place, while climate control systems maintain comfort in any weather. Every surface, from the dashboard to interior panels, reflects Honda's commitment to material quality and attention to detail, making every drive feel luxurious. Asterisk under the hood. The 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome offers a range of efficient yet powerful engines, blending performance with fuel economy to suit a variety of lifestyles. Engine options include turbocharged 4-cylinder units capable of delivering strong torque for smooth acceleration, along with hybrid variants that optimize efficiency for longer trips. Expect horsepower figures in the range of 180 to 250 horsepower, with torque optimized for carrying heavy loads without compromising handling. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is surprisingly brisk for a vehicle of this size, allowing confident overtaking and highway driving. Honda's precision-tuned suspension and responsive steering make handling agile, while automatic and manual transmission options cater to driver preferences. Despite its size, the motorhome delivers commendable fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for extended journeys. Asterisk. The 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome is packed with advanced technology and smart features that elevate the driving and living experience. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi hotspot capabilities, smartphone apps for remote monitoring of systems, and integrated entertainment streaming. Safety and driver assistance features are abundant, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Futuristic tools such as solar panel integration, smart energy management systems, and AI-assisted route planning provide a glimpse into the future of mobile travel. Every technological enhancement is designed to reduce stress on the driver while maximizing convenience and safety for all occupants. Asterisk. Safety is paramount in the 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome. Multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain units, work in tandem with advanced braking systems like ABS and electronic brake force distribution. Stability control, traction management, and collision avoidance sensors ensure that even inexperienced drivers feel secure behind the wheel. Honda's rigorous crash test standards and reinforced chassis design provide peace of mind, while additional driver aid systems, such as hill start assist and parking sensors, make maneuvering this sizable vehicle intuitive and safe. Asterisk. The 2026 Honda Camper Motorhome is expected to be offered in multiple trims, including a base adventure trim, a luxury explorer trim, and a premium elite variant, each tailored to different lifestyle needs. Features range from basic camping amenities to fully equipped kitchens, advanced climate systems,